The Defence Ministry has signed a 62,700 crore rupees contract with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to buy 156 Prachand indigenous light combat helicopters with training and associated equipment, and the delivery will start in 2028. The Defence Ministry has signed a 152 crore rupees order with Hyderabad-based Zen Technologies for the supply of air defence combat simulators. The Defence Ministry has signed a contract with US-based Metrea Management for the wet leasing of one KC-135 flight refueling aircraft to provide air-to-air refueling training to pilots of Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. The Indian Army has signed a MOU with Hyderabad-based ADRIN for the design and development of LAKSHYA-PT target acquisition software that will provide a sub-decimeter accuracy in target acquisition. Russia will display its Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jet in the LAD 2025 Defense and Aviation Exhibition in Brazil. Lucknow-based Aerolloy Technologies has bagged a long-term order from Safran for the supply of 7 critical titanium and superalloy cast components for the LEAP-1A and LEAP-1B jet engines. After Pakistan Air Force, the Pakistan Navy is planning to procure J-10CE fighter jet from China to counter India's acquisition of 26 Rafale Marine. The CEO of Dynamatic Technologies Limited held a productive meeting with key figures at the National Aerospace Laboratories in Bengaluru. India has issued a NOTAM warning for a designated range of 465 kilometers, and it could be the test of the air-launched variant of the Brahmos supersonic cruise missile. Indian Army's Battle Axe Division validated the employment and firing of the Aerolloy vehicle-mounted infantry mortar system in the desert region. Bangladesh and China have signed 9 agreements and made 5 announcements regarding establishment of the China Industrial Economic Zone and modernization of the Mongla port. India had recently hosted a delegation of Armenian Air Force officials for a detailed briefing on the Tejas Mk2 and Tejas Mk2 fighter jets. The briefing was conducted by representatives from Hindustan Aeronautics and the Aeronautical Development Agency, and this comes at a time when Armenia is seeking to modernize its air force in response to Azerbaijan's recent acquisition of JF-17 fighter jets from China. Industry sources have said that Armenian Air Force officials were impressed with the Tejas Mk2, that promises greater range, payload and performance. The DRDO has said that the Indian Navy has demanded more range for the long-range land attack cruise missile, and minor design tweaks like extended fuel tanks is currently underway to meet the Navy's demand for extended range. While the ship-launched variant was tested in November 2024, the missile's universal design will ensure compatibility with existing and upcoming submarines, and trials from Kilo-class submarines will start within 2 years. Hindustan Aeronautics is roping in an expanding network of private sector suppliers in the Aerolloy oil wingman to ensure scalability and efficiency, as their inclusion will result in a distributed workload by reducing bottlenecks. HAL aims to produce nearly 100 units annually, but its fate rests on its performance in Air Force trials in late 2025, and the order quantity will be decided after evaluation. Today's top 3 comments.